This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Susan Sheeran. Very nice 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, second floor, corner, furnished unit. Tile flooring throughout entire unit. Guest bathroom had water damage and has been repaired, however buyer will have to retile the shower area and flooring in hallway and guest bathroom floor. Spare matching tile is available in the unit. This unit is conveniently located across the street from one of the 2 clubhouses/pools that Kingswood Phase 2 has. Come live the dream in this socially active community, conveniently located about 2 miles from downtown Stuart, about 3 miles from ocean beaches and about 1 mile from the newly renovated Sailfish Sands Municipal Golf Course. For more information, review the details below or contact Susan Sheeran at 518-751-0137.